Today we're going to be learning how to upgrade the RAM in your computer. The first step is to open your computer case. I think you should make sure that it's unplugged and that there is no extra peripherals connected. For this demonstration, we're going to be using a Dell Optiplex 2010L. And what we need to do is pull on the tab here and lift up the top. And that'll give us a view of the motherboard. A quick way to locate your RAM would be to look for two white tabs. Now these are going to be occupied by a chip. You're going to press down on both tabs, which will release the locking mechanisms, and you're going to gently lift up and remove the RAM. Set that aside. In order to find out the type of memory your motherboard supports, you can either look in the documentation included with the motherboard, or you can look on the internet and you can search the serial number and find related information. Or sometimes you can find information telling the type of memory on the stick itself. So here we have our new sticks. These are 1 gigabyte.
Alright, so this is a new RAM. This is a 1 gigabyte stick of RAM. To install it, you see these notches? You have to line those up with the notches inside the motherboard. And you also have to have it the right direction. So for this one, the notches line up right here. And you have to push the memory stick down pretty hard until it notches, until these two white things notch. Got one. It's pretty hard. Okay, got the second one. Got it in. And then the next stick of RAM, same thing, same direction. This one's kind of hard. For the Dells. So now they're installed directly into the computer.
After turning the computer on and put the monitor back on, you will arrive at this screen, which says that your system memory has changed. Now what you want to do is you're going to press F1 to continue. We're golden. There you go.